Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Yeah, those are the flats. That's the worst. This side, you want to stay on the left lane. On that side, you want to stay on the right lane.
Accident. There's an accident there.
I know.
I know. Oh,
Just-
okay, both
just-
accident. Oh my goodness.
That's a hit.
I think we'll just have that hazard lights, honey. Do you think? Do you want me to turn on the hazard light?
No, you're all right. You're following this thing.
So, can you talk, honey? So, this is my first time driving on this high wind gust. It is scary.
High wind, cold snow.
High
Blizzard
wind,
conditions is what it's called.
blizzard.
If there was snow, and we wouldn't be driving.
Yeah. There's more
See,
accidents.
they hit the bank.
Because I hope Grandma and Rochelle
They
are.
went the other way.
So, is it safer there?
I don't know. The worst. See those banks, you gotta be careful. Now we look like we got past the worst of it. This is like, right here is really bad here.
Okay, just keep on praying, guys. Prayers can make miracles.
This guy in the truck, he's doing good. See those flat vans like that are bad. We got a plow truck out there trying. You ever see this kind of a truck?
Oh, the Alsco.
Yeah, that's a flat truck.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, pray, guys.
That's why me and Rocky didn't go to work. In Anchorage.
There's a small car. There's trucks. Ditches on the road.
This we gotta watch out for this.
Watch out for this, guys.
The snow.
Wow, the snow.
That's what you watch out for.
Watch out for the snow.
That's what happened to those cars. They hit it hard.
I know there's a lot of
This
accidents.
guy in front of us is doing
So just keep on praying, guys.
That's good. There's some more drifts up here.
Oh, this is Kendra was saying it's 75 miles per hour wind gust.
Gus, this is where she lives. She's back there. Plow trucks are trying to hit that stuff out.
So we just drove in the worst driving condition. just drove the. Ayan guys. Wait, hold on.
Whoa, hang on. Look how much I need to see through this. Come on now.
So what do you guys like
Yeah,
best
they,
on that
they won't be able to plow the church out.
in the arcade? What's the best part of the game? Oh really? About you, Jade?
Yeah, the water's
Water spray. About you, Jilana, what do you like best?
the dinosaur gun like that. Boom, 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 boom.
So do you shoot the dinosaur? Okay.
I think on that, we kept swiping on the dinosaur game. We should just play it and then do another 7 minutes.
Oh. Yeah, that car is in a hurry for some.
See, the problem is like these poor guys, these are going out there. It's just, he like just gets stuck. Oh, there's a
Oh, he's a police guy. So. Look, Jilana, outside we're trying to find the police guy.
So the pack food.
Yeah, Jilana, you can sing.
Good thing we have your car. It goes better. It's tighter. Goes better.
It's a lower.
Grip's good. Just a hair lower. Yeah, it can't be too low. It would be bad. That's bad.
Yes, Jilana. Can you drink the water, anak?
We'll be home soon.
Do you want me to make mac and cheese?
No, we're gonna have pizza pockets.
Yahoo!
Pizza pockets.
Oh, pizza pockets.
Hot pockets, excuse me.
Wow, what flavor you're eating, Jilana? Ham and cheese. Oh, how about you, Julene? What you're gonna get? Hot. Oh,
Yeah, this light's out. My Rocky's out. So, Jolene, what does blinking red mean? 4-way stop.
four-way stop, okay. Yellow means what?
Do more shopping.